So this past Christmas, I raided my parents' liquor cabinet and walked away with a bottle of Canadian Club whiskey from 1980. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today, we're doing an episode of raiding the parents' liquor cabinet. I haven't done one of these in a long time. Really just haven't had the opportunity. Also haven't raided my parents' liquor cabinet in a while. But we were home for Christmas. My my parents just had their basement redone because they had a flood. So all is good. And my dad said, well, you should take some scotch that's in, because I have so much, and it's really, there's some old good stuff in there. I'm like, all right, well, let's look, because I never properly explored what was down there. And, and what I found was a lot of stuff like this. So this is a Canadian Club 6-year-old whiskey. And this was bottled. I'm assuming it was bottled in 1980. And it had yet to be opened. So technically this is 49-year-old whiskey. It wasn't aged 49 years, but because that would make it really expensive. But my dad used to get a lot of these as gifts, or whether it was Johnny Walker or in a lot of cases Canadian Club, but he didn't really drink a lot of the gifts that he got. So we had some of these that were, this one just, like I opened it. I've already drank too much of it, which is a problem. There's a number of other ones from the 70s and ones that are still in the gift bag and have yet to even be, the seal have been cracked. So we're gonna probably line a few of those up one day and do, do a tasting. Maybe we'll even try to get my dad to sit down with us and do a video. That'd be fun. But normally when we do these raiding the parents' liquor cabinets, the results don't always end well, because the liquor could be, kind of old. Brands that, you maybe aren't around anymore. Bottles that have been open for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, who knows? Some cases, apparently, what I've been told, I did open bottles that had been open for close to 40 years. And so I figured, let's see what this Canadian Club whiskey tastes like. It's got a lot of awards. I never had Canadian Club whiskey before. And so let's do a little taste. And the thing that first kind of shocked me a little bit was that it's very easy to smell or easy to nose. Like some whiskeys, if you breathe in a little heavy, they go right up your nose, your eyes start tearing, and you made a mistake. This one, this one is really friendly. Might be a good word, but it just you smell like little bits of caramel. You get a little apple. And you can tell there's like a sugary deliciousness to this. Take a sip. On the palate, this is actually like butterscotchy, not sharp at all, and just really easy to drink. So I was, frankly, I'm kind of blown away by this, and I'm really enjoying it. As you can see, I have to stop drinking it at such a rapid pace. And I'm looking forward to further raids of that liquor cabinet and some different bottles to see how they compare to this one. Like with the bottlings, the house style always sort of apply, or do bottlings from the 70s vary from this one that was capped in 1980. That's about it. Hope you're all doing well. Have a good one. Cheers.